You can come and see my shop.
But do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Bitcoin? Bitcoin. I'll tell you why. Because I'm noise in the boat. Life is tough, man. So like...
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I live, eat and travel with Bitcoin.
Yo, what's up?
Hi.
Both of you are here.
Yeah, hello.
So these are my hosts. What's your name?
Lawrence Derick.
I'm Derick.
Alright. What are we doing?
We are at the hospital to collect our yellow fever certificate.
Nice. And what we're gonna do today?
We are going to an Impala sanctuary, we are going to the museum, and then we'll catch the sunset later.
Nice. So this is a national park and they tried to charge me $22. That is fair. It's like a Mizungu price. I wanted to go in as a resident. Well, now waiting fries. Oh. Massage. How do you get massage? More. Wow. So like this box is really good for something cool in Kenya, and then it looks like, what do you want to do? What would you put in this box?
You can come and see my shop.
But do you accept Bitcoin?
Yeah, just come.
No, you take Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Bitcoin, we are just hearing about it. This is the time you have not seen it, you have not come about it, nobody has brought us.
Okay.
Yeah.
They don't know about it. If I tell you, will you take Bitcoin from me?
Yeah, I will.
I'll
Why
pay
not?
you in Bitcoin.
No problem. Why not?
Alright, okay.
So long as you show me how it is done.
Yeah. This is your product.
Yeah, these are my products.
Okay.
Now. As my product now, you have taken my products. You have tried. You have given me the Bitcoin.
Yeah. Like I am gonna give him some Bitcoin right now. But show me your phone. Show. It is like practically so old. Like this is practically a challenge that I have felt right now here inside getting somebody orange pilled for Bitcoin. Let's try it nonetheless. If he gets it, I'll give him something and he will accept Bitcoin, right? In the future, people can pay you in Bitcoin.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, let's try that. Bro, no phone, no Bitcoin. No internet, no Bitcoin. That's the big challenge.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, take care.
Hello. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. Do you accept Bitcoin? Bitcoin.
Bitcoin?
No? Okay. Do you accept Bitcoin? Bitcoin. No? Okay. Thank you.
You have Bitcoin?
Yeah, I have Bitcoin.
Then take something and see.
But I'll take something small and I'll give you on your phone.
Okay.
Download an app first.
Download an app first.
Yeah, first you take. Then I don't have cash. I have only Bitcoin.
Biko download Bitcoin mo jao. Download Bitcoin mo jao.
Dong ni phone now. My battery's dead.
Can you come back tomorrow?
Okay. Asante.
Yeah. So I'm going to download the app so tomorrow you come.
Okay, we'll talk tomorrow.
Okay.
This is reality, huh? This phone is the biggest challenge. You're doing it? You're doing it?
Yeah.
We all try to do.
You want to do it? Okay, awesome. The purpose is to share. So I'll buy something small, 100, 200 bob. I'll give you some Bitcoin so you'll understand how Bitcoin works.
Okay. Hakuna matata.
Hakuna Matata. And this one?
200.
Also, I'm gonna buy this rhino for my host as a gift on Bitcoin because you gotta buy this and give it to my host. Can you pack this?
Yeah.
And I'll pay him in Bitcoin. You'll pay extra Bitcoin, right?
Yes, we accept Bitcoin.
Khalas. Correct. Create.
Create invoice.
Yeah. Say okay.
Okay.
Khalas. And oh, you created?
Yes,
Nice.
I've done it already.
See now. But don't move. Done. How much is this? 250?
Yes.
I go to pay. Done.
Yeah, there.
Received.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, man.
Okay.
This
Good.
I give to my friend
Yes, yes. Sante.
or something.
Bye, Hari.
All right,
Thank you.
man.
We'll stay in touch.
Okay, in
Bye.
1 hour.
Let's go.